Please subscribe to Carrie Law's YouTube page. This is her YouTube channel name. Also, if you can subscribe to my sister Sarah's YouTube channel, and I will bring that up. And it has Paris Jackson as a background. And here's her name. And it has 4 subscribers. And today she went to Splashtown here in the Houston area. Also, subscribe to K-Love Radio's YouTube page. Has some commercial ads on it and some song videos. Also, subscribe to Air One Radio's YouTube page. And if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be great too. Thank you, and thank you.